Hello, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm fishing at my local estate lake. My setup is I'm using some Master 6 scopes, rods and just some nice Delkins, and yeah, then I've got my bait boat, then I'll show you my mix. It's got lots of isotonic flavour with curry in. Today I'm down at the lake with my friend Tom over there, setting up his rod. The lake's not frozen like last time, so we hope that we get some fish.
Yeah, how many wraps are you fishing?
17.
Can you show us the spots?
Fishing, just over towards that birch tree, belongs down towards the island, on the edge of the island,
yeah,
all the way to just by the big birch tree. It wasn't long until Tom was into his first fish. It didn't take long at all, and he's already in.
Aeson? What did you say that was?
That's a nice fish.
That's a really
Oh.
Tom, you have to get this.
Oh wow. We've not seen you before. And he's a lump. Well done, Tom.
Ooh, that is insane.
Lift him up a bit.
After this first fish, we had a succession of runs.
Long cricket bat. I mean, not tiny, but he's not.
He's not a bad fish.
Aeson and Tom were playing their second fish. Meanwhile, the third rod went. We're into yet another fish.
He's probably the smallest one.
We now have 3 fish resting in the nets. I secretly filmed Aeson celebrating with a twerk. Nice one.
So I get the baby. That's winter fishing on the estate lake for you. A bit of pre-baiting, Aeson, wasn't it? So we put about 10 kilos out yesterday, and then we have these 3 absolute beauties, and it's, I think the prize of the trio is probably this old ghosty here. So I think Aeson was trying to tell you that he's celebrating.
a trio of fish. Look at these. Absolutely stunning trio of winter estate lake carp. And who caught these?
Ginger man. Fish here, about £12. Lovely fish in the water.
How big was this one?
This one was 15 on the nose. Lovely dark, nice fish. This one was the biggest of them all. It's a nice Ace Carp. It was about 15, 12. And in the water he goes.
Absolute carnage for the last sort of 10-15 minutes.
In the middle of winter, freezing cold. We've got all the rods out now from that hectic, crazy time, which was really weird because we had a triple take and they were all like over £10. So we've got all the rods out now and we put some more bod bits out. And some of this out in the bait boat and yeah, I hope I get some more fish. I'm into my first fish of the day. It's under Tom's line. Quite annoying, but we'll get him out now.
Nice body shape.
Another ghost.
Well done. A little ghosty.
Tom's getting out the bait boat. I've just hooked into another fish. So
Any size?
I think it is.
That's not bad at all. You moaning about that?
Oh.
No.
Oh, the hook came out
Yeah,
there.
hook's out.
First decent fish of the day. Really fat, lumpy one. Lovely fish.
The fish have now clearly moved on to Aeson's spot.
Goodbye fish.
He's had a succession of runs.
My arms are starting to ache, so I know it's big.
Old.
Fifth fish of the day. Pretty nice one. Probably about £12, I reckon.
And what were your tactics for that?
Just putting out a solid bag. Or we've just put all out on solid bags and stuff. So
Okay. There he is.
Unbelievably, the action continued, and it wasn't long until both Aeson and Tom were into yet another fish.
So are you both in? So we were just saying that this is the longest we've had to wait today without a bite, but Aeson's went, and pretty soon after so did Tom's, so they are now both playing a winter carp each. Aeson's fish is now in a net, small double, and Tom is just playing his.
And there we go. Yet another brace of perfect winter common carp from the estate lake. Well done.
I'm going to explain you my blowback rig. So come down here, they've got a nice kicker on it with some VX hooks. They work really well. It's called a kicker because it turns in the fish's mouth. I'll show you like this. It goes and turns into my finger. So yeah, hope I see you again with a fish this time.
Yet again, both Aeson and Tom were into another
That's
fish
why it looks
each.
so big. Got a half silver birch with it.
Tom's fish is resting in the net. Aeson just finishes playing his.
It's been a lovely session
here we go.
today. Finished the day off with some nice fish. We might get a last minute fish, but never know. Well, I wasn't expecting that. I thought that last fish was the last one of the day, but better than nothing.
Does it feel any good?
Don't know yet.
Aeson was pretty convinced that this would be the last fish of the day. But yet again, both Tom and Aeson's rods went off.
Crazy. Well, we thought well, this is definitely going to be the last fish of the day. Well, it might be. Probably will be, but yeah. Lovely fish.
So you just had a double take. You thought it was your last fish, and then you were dealing with them, and then we had yet another double take of these two, and one of the named fish. And what's this called, Ace?
Kinky tail. There's not a lot of mirrors in this lake. There's probably about 30 mirrors out of like thousands of fish.
So Kinky is a bit of a mug fish, isn't she? Yeah. Probably around about £15, I think.
Yeah.
And the other one probably about 12, 11. Yeah. Okay, well done.
Kinky's scars off and all that, so he's a very old fish.
So what are you using there, Tom?
So you're using propolis, which is like a waxy sort of organic material, and when it reacts with water it will seal off and sort of help protect. You can see it there sealed off, and that will help protect the fish sort of and keep it from getting infected, and it will allow it to heal.
So this fish is actually from a strain of fish stocked in the early 90s. So she is pretty old. looking a little bit worse for wear these days, but still, it's nice to see her on the bank again, isn't it, Aeson? And how many times have you had Kinky?
1.
And how many times has Tom had her?
7 or 8 now.
Yeah, and I think I've had her about 5 times now. Right. Hopefully she'll heal up nicely. And put on a little bit of weight because she's looking a bit lean. Oh, there you go. So
Perfect
to the end. Yeah. So to the end of the session, I think we've had probably 34 fish now.
Probably.
Between us.
Easy.
Yeah. So been absolutely hectic. Pre-baited a couple of days ago, quite heavily, but they're obviously cleaned us up and they're still out there feeding on the spot. So well done, lads.
Good stuff.
And Aeson, have you got anything to say?
So like and subscribe to this video if you liked it. So bye.
She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Rowe.